Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Kona key fob. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Begin by locating the small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade. This step is crucial for accessing the internal components. Once the blade is out, you're ready for the next step in the process. It's a simple start to a quick fix. Now that the emergency key is removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, apply slight pressure to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. You should hear a small click as the casing begins to separate. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. This reveals the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a secure click. Make sure there are no gaps. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Once everything is back together, test your key fob's lock and unlock functions to confirm it's working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.